house is closed, completely closed. In fact, you look at it, it looks a little bit sad, but it's about to be restored. The house is really quite pure now. It's empty, there's nothing in it, so you just see its structures. You see its beams, you see its wonky floorboards, you know, the walls that are imbued with so much history. And what struck me as fascinating about this house is over the years, it has never been placed in its context. So this house has never been interpreted in terms of Plymouth's local history. It needs a lot of work, it needs a lot of love, and it's about to get it. So now is the time you see it at its worst, but we're about to enter the period when hopefully it will be revealed at its best.